Have you ever wanted to turn a photo into a cool sticker, not just an image? What if your phone could turn it into art first and then make it a sticker? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, drawing assist with the S Pen can restyle an image using AI and even turn the object into a sticker. Let me show you how to do it with the Art Nouveau effect. First, remove your S Pen to open up the Air command menu. Then tap Drawing Assist. Tap Restyle Image icon. Select an image from your gallery. Choose Art Nouveau as the effect. And then tap Generate and wait for the result. After the image is generated, tap the sticker icon above the image. As a note, your phone will automatically turn only the main object into a sticker, not the whole image. Select a sticker style. As the sample, we will select vintage, as it fits the Art Nouveau look very well and keeps the artistic details. Tap Done to save the sticker. Next, to try the sticker, open a chat in a messaging app, for example WhatsApp. Tap the text field, then tap the emoji icon. Tap the star or AI style icon to see sticker made with drawing assist. Tap the sticker you created. And then tap Send a sticker to send it. This feature is perfect if you want unique stickers made from your own photos. No extra apps needed and every sticker looks artistic and personal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.